When posting video content on social media platforms, what best practices should you follow? Firstly, you can optimize performance by grabbing attention in the first 3 seconds. User attention is limited, so it's important to insert your key message in the first few seconds to drive recall and impact, which can be developed later in the videos. On mobile devices or in office environments, the majority of users have their sound off. In order to communicate your verbal message from your video, it's important to create for sound off. You can do this by using closed caption subtitles and on-screen text. An incredibly high number of users view social content on mobile devices and scroll vertically on their mobiles. Therefore, it's essential that marketers align their videos to how the vast majority of users prefer to view them. Essentially, this means shooting for vertical views on mobile. Doing this will have the greatest impact on consumer engagement. To continue the engagement after the video has completed, marketers can build in a Play More function, so users can view other related content after they finish watching your video. Think of it like bringing the audience on a journey through your content catalog. Finally, use Live to capture live events and add a greater degree of urgency for followers to engage with. Share the live video to your story for 24 hours before it disappears, or discard it immediately. The number of viewers of your live video includes everyone who watched the live video and the replay. Hashtags are a very useful tool for marketers to use. A hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by the number sign or hash sign, and it is used to categorize keywords or topics, allowing users to easily find or follow a specific conversation of interest to them. By clicking on a hashtag, you are able to display related conversations and easily discover, organize, and track topics of interest. Hashtags are great for marketers because they increase brand recognition, expand reach, and target new customers. They also allow you to create, join, or impact conversations that are relevant to your brand or business. If you'd like to use more than 3 hashtags, hidden hashtags is a useful technique to make your posts look cleaner and less spammy. You can hide hashtags by manipulating the number of characters in your post caption or by inserting line breaks into your caption. Hashtags come with their own set of best practices, the first being to use SEO keywords. SEO keywords, or search engine optimized keywords, that are relevant to your brand are very useful as hashtags because they're often short and are easily searchable. It's important to never use spaces or punctuation in your hashtags because it keeps them from being searchable or discoverable on the platform. Just like with punctuation, it's important to also capitalize your hashtags correctly in order to increase readability and legibility. You should avoid using too many hashtags in a single post, as it may appear spammy and inauthentic. Try to keep your hashtags short, as it helps with memorability and searchability. It's also important to use hashtags that are popular on each platform. For example, if you're on Instagram, you may want to use the hashtag photo of the day. This is a hashtag that's popularly searched for by users on the platform and will make your content far more discoverable. Other popular hashtags include TBT, or Throwback Thursday, and No Filter. You can search for trending hashtags on social media and add them to your posts to leverage their popularity and insert your brand into the conversations. If you want to increase brand recognition on a platform, it may be useful to create a hashtag that's branded. A branded hashtag can be really helpful in getting your brand discovered on a particular platform. It's something that is unique to your brand or business. So it may be your company name, company tagline, a campaign, a contest name, or something else that's meant to drive participation and engagement. And when you're creating these branded hashtags, search and monitor for any other hashtags in the community that may be relevant to your brand or business. You need to make sure that nobody is currently hijacking these hashtags or using them in a negative light that could reflect poorly on your brand.